Look at that lip sync. It's almost perfect. This entire music video was created with AI. No filming crew, no huge production budget, and everything was done on a single platform. Today, I'll show you how to create a full AI music video with TopMediai, especially how to achieve incredibly accurate lip sync. Step 1. Generate your music. Open the TopMediai AI music generator and enter the genre, instruments, mood, and anything else you want for your song. TopMediai will generate 2 tracks at a time for you to choose from, and you can even export MIDI files for further editing. One important detail: when you download your music, copy and save the lyrics too. We'll need them later for precise lip syncing. Step 2. Create your main character. Next, create your main character with TopMediai's AI image generator. I recommend using GPT Image 2 for a clear, natural-looking character. Then, use your character as a reference to create different scenes, outfits, and camera angles while keeping the face consistent. Now you have all the character shots you need for your music video. Step 3. Create the singing shots. Now for the most important part, the lip sync. Select Seedance 2.5, upload your character image and audio, then paste the matching lyrics directly into the prompt box. The audio provides the timing, rhythm, and vocals, while the lyrics help the model follow exactly what's being sung. Now look at the result. The lip movements closely match the vocals, while Seedance 2.5 keeps the performance natural, expressive, and cinematic. And that's it. Music, characters, visuals, and precise lip sync, all created with TopMediai. Try TopMediai plus Seedance 2.5 and create your own AI music video.